Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of Spin Wheel for WooCommerce, Coupon Management and Email Notifications. In this video, we will cover coupon management and email notification settings. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Spin Wheel tab. Next, select the Coupon tab. Here, you can manage coupon settings. For coupon duration, you can set the validity period of the generated coupons. You can set the duration in hours or days. Auto add coupon to cart automatically adds the one coupon to the customer's cart. Enable cart redirect automatically redirects the customer to the cart page after winning a coupon. Once the settings are added, click on Save Changes. Now, click on the Email Templates tab. Let's explore email notifications. Enable email allows you to enable notifications for winning and losing coupons. In the Win email template, you can edit the message for the winning scenario. In the Lose email template, you can edit the email message for the losing scenario. You can also use placeholders to personalize these messages. Once the email templates are customized, click on Save Changes. That's it. In this lesson, we learned how to manage coupon settings, including validity, auto add to cart, and cart redirects. We also explored how to configure email notifications to keep customers informed about their spin results. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.